part.
Today we're gonna be making a stuffed paneer steak and stuffed with mushrooms and sauteed veggies
Over a bed of tomato sauce.
Doesn't that sound
So
delicious?
good. Yeah, it's a delight for vegetarians, and let's get started.
So we're gonna be marinating this beautiful homemade square piece of paneer, and we're gonna drizzle in some olive oil.
It's fun watching them do.
And some mixed herbs. We're adding rosemary.
Herbs just add a nice flavor, and it makes the paneer much tastier.
The more the better. And we're gonna add some garlic powder. Who doesn't love the beautiful taste of garlic? That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Garlic powder is optional. You can even add garlic paste, or if you don't like garlic flavor, you can just skip it. So I'm going to drizzle in salt and pepper to this. We are going to add that white pepper to give a nice white look of the paneer while grilling.
White pepper gives an extra flavor.
You just marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes. When it's getting marinated, we can just get ready with the stuffing. This takes just 15 minutes to get ready. So simultaneously, we can complete the stuffing as well.
So we're gonna cut it in a triangle shape. Yeah. It's so satisfying how you cut it. I love cutting paneer. I love eating it.
We know that.
There we go.
And while the paneer steak is getting marinated, let's make the stuffing. So I'm going to add some olive oil. You can even add butter, and then have finely chopped mushrooms because it's going to be stuffed inside the paneer. Add in some salt and pepper for the mushroom, and when you see the mushrooms getting shrinked, I'm going to add a teaspoon of wheat flour to it. You can even add all-purpose flour. We are adding wheat flour. So just saute it for a few seconds, and let's add half cup of milk to this. So once you add the milk, you have added flour, it gets thickened very easily within a minute or two. So keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring until you see that gets thickened. See, as I told you, within a minute or two, it got nicely thickened. So I'm going to switch off this flame, and once you switch off the flame, it gets little more thickened. So it will be perfect for just spreading it over the paneer.
So I'm gonna saute the veggies. I'm gonna on my stove and pour some oil. And I'm gonna add some veggies. I have carrots, green beans, and capsicum and onion. And I'm gonna start sauteing it. You can even add baby corns, broccoli, cauliflower. Add some salt and some pepper. For a nice aroma, I'm gonna add some mixed herbs. The veggies has to be in a crunchy consistency, so you should saute it for 5 minutes. Now my veggies are done.
Let's grill the paneer. Again, I'm gonna add some oil. So I'm putting it on a medium flame. Here we have a marinated paneer. I'm carefully placing that. So look at this, our mushroom is ready. The stuffing is ready to get seated between the paneer steaks. When the paneer is mildly roasted, just give a turn to the other side, and then immediately put on the stuffing. You can even sprinkle some cheese if you would like to, and then carefully remove the other piece and place it in the right over the top. Look at it, it's very beautifully getting roasted. Make sure you cook it everything on a medium flame. You neither want it too much roasted nor undercooked. Now let's turn the paneer to the other side. Do it very carefully. Look at the beauty, look at the beauty. So look at the beautiful roasted paneer steak with cheesy mushrooms stuffed in between, and when you cut that and eat with the sauce and the veggies, it's just gonna be a delicious lunch or dinner for you. This is beautifully done. I'm going to carefully remove it and keep it aside. To the same pan, I'm going to add half cup of tomato sauce. If you need this tomato sauce recipe, you can go check the description box. It's very easy to make and you can use it for a variety of purposes. And just cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cream, heavy cream to this. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons. It gives a nice orange color look, and the sauce is ready. And look at the deliciousness. So the bed for the paneer steak is ready.
So I'm gonna plate this steak. It's all about the looks. If something looks good, it's gonna be delicious. So first of all, I'm gonna take this red sauce and make a nice layer of that. This is just like such a beautiful sauce. And like, it's creamy, it's delicious, and we're gonna make like a little bed for our paneer steak. And we have our sauteed veggies. They are a great combo with steaks. So we're gonna add those onto this side. I'm gonna toss in all the veggies. I'm just gonna bring the plate a little closer. So you wanna be careful while you're doing this, not to break the paneer, and woohoo, I did it. So you could add all sorts of things like mashed potatoes, herb rice, which is in our channel. Go check that out. Links are in the description box. So finally, we're gonna finish off with a piece of cilantro because it just adds that final touch. And this looks delicious.
So here we go. The paneer steak with stuffed mushroom and sauteed veggies over a bed of tomato sauce is just ready. And we have already tasted it. It's just awesome.
Mom, you only tasted it. Yeah. We still have to do it. Yeah.
So we are going to taste this and gulp it. Do try it at your home and say how it is. And you can even have herb rice for the side. And if you want a herb rice recipe, you can just check it down in the description box.
Like I said.
Yeah.
No, we need to try this.
Yeah. So they're gonna have this. So I'm gonna give the kids a bite of this. Cut this. So who wanna have this first? I'm going to give.
Me?
Yeah.
That was legit good. I really love the stuffing. This is legit good. I really love the mushroom stuffing. It just makes it more unique.
So here we go for burger. How's that?
So good. So hope you try this recipe at home, and even if you have time, go try that herb rice out with this recipe. So I hope you guys love it. Comment down below if you liked it, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video, Friday at 8 p.m. Bye! So, hope you try this recipe at home, and even if you have time, go try that herb rice out with this recipe. So, I hope you guys love it. Comment down below if you liked it, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video, Friday at 8 p.m. Bye!